channel Therichpost. Myself Ajay, and I hope you are doing great. So guys, in this working video I'm going to show you the beautiful school university website template. And friends, before showing you working demo, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates. So friends, here we go. And also, if you will have any kind of queries, suggestion or requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, please contact me via my blog therichpost.com. Here's contact us page. You will get my email ID, WhatsApp number and Upwork ID as well. Also, you will get multiple free things on my blog like e-commerce templates, admin dashboard templates, and so on. Now back to website template. See the top section, beautiful. See guys, now the main nav bar. Now beautiful hero section. See, save your future with. See guys, placement, students, culti, beautiful buttons, discover an inspiring campus build for your success. See, beautiful images, effect, just beautiful. See guys, scroll down, explore your most popular programs. See, campus section, campus store. See guys, pop up with video. For now it's empty. Stats, student, faculty, programs, placements, research labs and global partners. See the beautiful hover effect as well. Expert, faculty members, experienced student, live. See friends, beautiful. Gallery section, the testimonials, admission process. See friends, FAQ, Insta images. See guys, and footer. I'm missing to show you. Yeah, the model pop-up lightbox. See guys, for this gallery section, and also scroll to top. So guys, see the beautiful school and university website template. And if you want this kind of stuff, then ping me on my video and on my blog via as well. So friends, in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.